I'm Sarah, aka B-Girl Miss Vaughn.
My name is Darrell Underwood.
My name is Jennifer.
My name is Maria.
My name is Jason Sensation, and I'm here to try these pebbles.
What is this?
Mimo. Okay.
I'm a country boy, so seeing something like this is very new.
They look like little snowballs.
It looks like an alien food. Cookie and cream? Is it cookie and cream? It's so tasty.
Oh my god. Delicious.
Mimo. Okay. Oh, wow. That's actually good. Is this vanilla? I have no idea. This is delicious.
Whew, my fingers are cold. I don't know. They just got it right with like the softness and the hardness.
It's like playing with Play-Doh, edible Play-Doh. I mean, who haven't ate Play-Doh? I know I have. It tastes like this.
Oh, it's the mint cookies and the mint chocolate chip cookie thing. Did you try this one?
Yeah, it's mint.
Yeah, it's mint.
I think it's like mango. More tropical. Oh, he's a mango because he's got flavor.
Oh, she's that green one for sure.
Yeah, I love mint too.
I think he's a mint.
If you seeing all that, that's Mimo.